Guys, good morning. Oh, I'm outside. I just want to feel the breeze, the ambience here. That's quiet, very quiet. Well, my neighbor they left to go somewhere. So here in the other side is also no one here. They're gone. Today is Sunday, so maybe they have a vacation or somewhere anywhere. So yeah, that's it. But we decided to stay here. We can't do much thing. My sister, she went home this morning early because she have a dog. She have a puppies there to her house. So uh, she leave early. I take her to the jeep terminal here in her daughter. So yeah. It's very nice breeze, and actually it's cloudy again after the rain last night that makes the flood. Let me show you. So what I'm seeing is my garden. This is my garden, and look, that's deep, the canal that I made, but look, it's overflow. The water is overflow from the canal, but at least my plants over there still not the soak in the water, right? So that's the wood compost we got last time. So as I put that, I have tomato and eggplant and also another kind of vegetables there. And yeah, that's it. It's like pouring rain last night. So right, and let me show you. I have lots of, there is coming the chili. Yeah, it's a lot they're hiding in the leaves, as same as this one. See, there's a lot, and I already harvest a lot of them. And this one, right, right. So my mom, her flowers, they're going healthy, looking good now. And yeah, that's it. So the others, the house. So my neighbors also, they're cleaning their space on the backyard. And as you see, I cleaned this the other day and I plant some vegetables there. And my mom, she hung here, close here, but mine is inside. I don't want to give a chance that to put outside and then the rain soon. So yep, that's it. And this is the other side of my house. Right, so yeah, my laundry is right there hanging. Some of them is dry already. I hung that yesterday. Right, so I just want to stay here. Today it's Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, and people that is uh, join with the celebration. They have Chinese street dance, any other activities. So yeah, they're enjoying. Well, I'm enjoy to stay at home, as when there's no class, because I can rest. I can also doing things here in the house and cleaning up. So this morning I cleaned up with few things, the heater, arranging with the empty gallon storage box there. Yeah, you can do a lot of things when no class, because if they have a class, you full time to go to class, to the school, driving, taking the kids, and that's it. So, and my dog, letting them out. because I'm here. Snowflake. Lexi, come here. Snow. So here Lexi, and that one is Snow, and the other one is Snowflake. So I have 3 of them. They're very nice dog. Very obedient too. When you call them, they're just gonna run and come to you. So guys, yeah, I'm enjoy with the breeze. Very nice here. Right. So that's all. I can give you some, video, and thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe and hit the bell so every time I put the video, you're notified. And thank you for all the comments, and give me a likes. I appreciate that. I love you all, and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.